Okay, all right. We're getting more information that the morning shift examinations could be rescheduled. That the NTA will issue a notice in the next 24 hours. We're told that students still remain uncertain, as some of the students were also speaking to us. There's some confusion over the earlier post of the NTA which said that the glitch has been resolved. The exam is being conducted with full compensatory time so that no candidate is disadvantaged. But as of now, the confusion continues because there are some students who arrived for the morning shift and they continue to be waiting. Kritika continues to stay live with us and she was in conversation with a few students as well. Kritika, now we are told that the NTA has decided to issue a notice in the next 24 hours. Has it been announced there? Has this been communicated to the students?
Well, Pratibha, this information is coming in from the center. We have the speaker of the center as well, and that is where an announcement repeatedly is being made that candidates for the morning shift can return and that they will be hearing from the National Testing Agency within the span of the next 24 hours regarding the rescheduling of the first exam. Now, all of these parents and students behind me are still standing here because they want to see this in written. They are going by the tweet which has been put up by NTA over 2 hours ago, which however states that the exam is continuing, that students are asked not to leave their centers. They may exit only after writing their exams, and that compensatory time is also being awarded. But at this particular examination center in Noida, the situation was, as per the students, they claim that they were asked to leave. There were some officials who have not directly spoken to us, but they're also raising allegations of how certain students decided themselves to leave. But all of them, on hearing and reading the tweet of the NDA, returned, asked more questions, but there still remains to be clarity that the parents and the students are reaching out for.